Wednesday, September 25th, 3:56 p.m. New York time. Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. This video, I'm going to discuss single stocks versus stock indexes. Stock indexes, for example, are indexes that have two or more companies listed in them. Some have 500, some have 5,000, some have 30. Again, a stock index is more than a single stock. Versus single stock is just that one company. Sometimes you have single stocks outperform a stock index for a certain duration and vice versa. Stock indexes are very diversified. We're going to look at a time frame. Using the S&P 500, very diversified index. This is a 5-year chart. Today, the S&P 500 stock index made an all-time new high. Again, each of these candles is a week. This current one will be done this Friday. Very clear, this stock index all-time high. Compare that with something like that just had earnings recently. A company called Adobe. And same thing, 5-year chart. And each candle represents a week. Again, the current candle on the far right will be done at close of Friday. Well, big difference. Here's the low for the year. Here's the high for the year. Well, the stock index, all-time high, outstanding, winner. This company did have earnings recently, and they were disappointed, and it got punished. Yep, it got punished. This yellow horizontal line was my trigger to trade bearish, aka short, broke below it, and did it. Very nice trading opportunities. Current candle for the week, yellow, simply means to take out the higher low of the prior week. Big difference from how this is going. Look, midpoint. Big impulse move down, red candle, midpoint. Tested it, failure. Tested it, filled. Tested it, filled. Yeah. Look at this, letter M. Sharp patterns, unique. Very clear. That's just one of many companies. But I want to zoom in to also show you this on an intraday time frame. I'm going to keep it at the week. We'll keep it on the weekly drawings, but show the intraday. See these gaps? It can still happen on stock indexes too. Again, stock index is very diversified versus just as one company. Higher risk. Yeah. Well, the stock index, these get updated every so often. Different stock indexes, different durations, but they take off the losers and they replace them with better companies that have growth. Let's go look at another company now. Oracle. Open it. This year, last week, made an all-time high. Outstanding. Outstanding. Nice. Better than expected. A huge trading range for the year. Current week, inside candle. First, the S&P 500 making a new time high this week. Again, both outstanding bullish. But one made a new high this week. The other one did it the prior week. And right now, small trading range. Let's go look at another company. Wynn Resorts Casino Company. 5-year chart. Here's the high for the past 5 years. Here's the low for the past 5 years. Here's the high for this year. Here's the low for this year. Low this year, turning around. Big green candle this week. Big impulse move up. Blue horizontal line. Supply area. Yep. A lot of price action took place there and broke below it hard. So maybe we'll run up to that. Might be a failure. Opportunities. We have a gap down here that's not gotten filled yet. But comparing this with the index, again, winner. There's more than just one stock index. Look at this as an example again, diversification and a good stock index. Dollar cost average on winners. Many more opportunities to reload on a winner. Yeah. Far away from the highs. I just showed you several different companies and how they're performing individually compared to the S&P 500. You go ahead and continue buying those individual stocks that are referred to as bottom fishing, buying the bottoms that have bearish trends way below the highs versus buying the winners on the dips. If you'd like to have early access to my videos, I have a subscribers page for a very tiny donation. The link is below in the video. You get a lot more detail than what I just included in this video. If you prefer, and if you like my content that I share my videos, consider supporting me with a one-time donation. I have a PayPal and Venmo. The links are below in the description. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. That's it.